Ms. Sheila May Evangelista, Ms. Amalia Hinon, Mr. Artem Mateo Hinon, Ms. J.Z. Wilrose Hinon, Ms. Princess Hinon, Mr. Wilson Hinon, Mr. Alvin Tina, Mr.
Gabi na, sobrang gabi na. Hindi pa rin kami lumilipas sa aeroplano. Ayun. Nanahimik yung mga tao na naghihintay. Ate. Hi ka nga. Hi. Hi po. Pangit. Show yarn. Matagal pa. Oh my God. Hello ka nga ulit. Hello. Ayaw sasabihin mo. Ano?
Wala.
So, si ate doon, lakad ng lakad. Oh my God. Lakad ng lakad siya. Tara, sundan natin. Hoy, te, saan ka papunta? Saan mo laro sa playground? So, hi! Ang daming bakante upuan. Oh my God. Ang pangalan ng ito guys. So, di ko alam anong gagawin. Kasi nga wala kaming magawa. Kasi nga, yung flight natin, namin, is mamaya pa. Gabi.
Bakit sige siya na lang sa
Oh, grabe God! Oh my God! How dare you? That's offensive. That's offensive. So guys, gusto mo pasok tayo sa playground? Pero di ako bata. I mean, bata naman ako, but hindi naman masyadong like a toddler. Mga ganun. Ano to? Pakan ko ba? Hindi pwede mo maglaro dyan. Gusto kong pumasok ah. Ay, may ang tagal pa ng flight namin. Ito guys, totoo, gabing-gabi na. Andito kami sa airport, naghihintay kahit gabi na. Kasi nga yung flight namin is 7. Oh my God. So, si ate lakad lang. Walang magawa sa buhay.
Is now boarding to boarding gate 1348. Requesting all level bound guests on Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5K971 to kindly board the aircraft now to boarding gate 1348 all aboard
So guys, napakalamig dito kasi nga sa airport kami. Matutulog kami sa plano. Yeah, kasi masarap pa ito sa plano. Tara. I-check muna namin yung gate. Yung gate?
Gate ng bahay.
Gate ng bahay.
Once again, we're calling the attention of Mr. James Ryan Rosalem. Once again, Mr. James Ryan Rosalem, if you're around, currently approach the 117 front desk immediately. Cebu Pacific Flight 5J971 bound for Davao is the boarding to be 1348.
Napakalamig dito. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Please for your aircraft to be 1348 all aboard.
Wala pa yung flight namin. Connect namin yung gate. Wala pa. So, kailangan pa namin maghintay. Tagal pa siya. It's mga 7 na or 7. It's 6:58 right now. It's 7 pa yun? 7:30 maybe.
It's 8.
Ay, 8. 8 pala. So, tara.
Once again, we're calling the attention of Mr. James Ryan Rosales.
Selfie!
Once again, Mr. James Ryan Rosales. If you're around, kindly approach gate 1
Nagdala si Daddy pagkain.
immediately.
Kasi ilang oras din kami nandito. Pagkain. So, kakain muna kami. So, I'll be eating right now. So, bye-bye muna.
May we request everyone to please take their assigned seats as we're about to close the main cabin door. Crew arm doors for departure and cross-check.
Oh, ma. Balik na. Sige. Okay. Datingin mo doon, ha? Pagdatingin mo doon. Hindi yung ayaw mo na ba? Gilid mo, pagdatingin mo na, ayaw mo na eh. Ayun eh, bandi.
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Maganda. Lampas bago dumating ng kakaya tayo palanas.
Hello everyone and welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Making first movement happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Dumaguete. In command of this aircraft is Captain Bruan, ably assisted by First Officer Brillante. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to... When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Dumaguete Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew Captain Bruan and First Officer Brillante, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated.
Cabin crew, these are those for arrival and cross-check.